Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for July 18, 2019. Today we're looking at the USDCAD, the US dollar, versus the Canadian dollar for today's trade analysis. Really, we're starting here on the daily time frame, and we're seeing that the currency pair is down at the multi-month lows. If I zoom out one more time, you can see that we really haven't been into these lows. Let's just talk about the yellow and the pink shaded area, just above the 3,000 level. We go all the way back here. On the left-hand side, the last time we were challenging this area was back in October of 2018. So it's been quite a long time since October 2018 till now. We're challenging these significant historical lows. Now we zoom it back in. You see the black box. Let's go ahead and zoom it in one more time. You see the black box there at the bottom of the chart where the market has been holed up for quite a while now. We're going all the way back. Let's get the crosshair. We're going back to June 27, so almost an entire month now, I guess, about 3 weeks. June 27, we've been holed up inside this black box, finding support, significant support at the yellow shaded area. We did take a couple of dips down here towards the pink zone into the 1.3025 level, but for the most part, statistically speaking, quite a bit of support has been seen here between 130.50 and 130.65. That's the yellow shaded area, and we're still there. Nothing's really changed about that. Let's zoom it in one more time, and you can see sitting there. Of course, the trend line represents the overall picture. The overall movement of this currency pair has been bearish, but again, it really hasn't been moving lower in the past 3 weeks or so. It's just been kind of held up inside of here. So the question is, will it ever return to the downtrend, or will this become the base point for reversal and for this to turn around and go back up? We can't know that for sure, but we can begin looking for clues and evidence of that as we go through our trading day. Let's go ahead and zip it on down here to the 4-hour time frame. You can see we have challenged down here into the yellow zone quite a lot. And again, there's that dip down here to the pink zone. We got right back above the yellow zone, came back down into it. I am already, as you can see down here at the bottom of the chart, 30.61 already in the long from the yellow shaded area. Had to endure a little bit of a dip lower, but still in it, looking for that little bit of reversal, looking for it to come back up here to the blue shaded area, maybe, possibly the pink shaded area, if it can get some good solid US dollar motivation higher, or maybe we look for crude oil to take a little bit of a dip lower. All of those would improve the chances that this is going to take a run back to the blue or the pink zone like it did back here on the left hand side. And of course, if it ever breaks above the pink zone, we're looking for some further reversal for the dollar CAD. Now, of course, there is the risk that the trend returns. We look for the trend to turn around and go back down. You know, that's the risk we're taking here in this trade, is that the trend returns. But I think if I was going to trade that, if I was going to sell it, I need it to be up here at the blue zone or the pink zone. I don't really want to sell down here where it's found significant support. So when you think about your 3 trading options, buy, sell, or no trade, selling, off the table for me. I don't think this is a good selling opportunity unless it's back in the blue or the pink zone or near the trend line. So selling's not on the table. Buying becomes an opportunity for some intraday reversal, or you just don't trade it. So it's either that you don't trade it or you're looking for the long shot here. I think, of course, it'll be a much improved chance that it's going to go higher above 30.65, the top of the yellow zone. We'll target the blue and the pink zone higher. Of course, the risk is it doesn't do that. The risk is it gets back underneath here, so I don't think your stop loss should be very large. I have my stop loss right around the 30 level, so it ends up being about a 30 pip stop loss here on this trade. Not too bad, but what we're looking for again is the continuation of the support hold. You know, and it is interesting when you look at it that we have seen a slightly rising low here. The slightly rising low means that, hey, the buyers might be have interest here in looking to take control of the currency pair with the rising lows. So let's look for it to stay above this little line here, stay above the yellow zone, target the blue or the pink zone. The risk is a breakdown, so use appropriate risk strategies in all trade scenarios.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.